let's see, excavator update. What was it, 4? I don't know, but well, I've got another part set and did more work on excavator. Let's see. This arm is different because, let's see, she had this for an arm, and well, her head is different, and that's new right there because plan to put that by design. I finished up one, the other hand, and well, 2 of these in that one set. So just, and let's see, have to get more chains though. So for now, she's kind of done. Well, this drill bit is done. Now, still have to work on her other attachments. Oh, speaking of, got this transferred to a 2x2 cup piece. The Technic 2 system adapter, or whatever it's called, I don't know. And the part set, well, say it with me now. Alright, the reason why I got it is, say it with me now, because of Draggy. Anyway, so that's my update on Excavator.